I don't know about you guys, but it definitely feels like there's been a ton of skin and hair care products that are new, launching recently, and it can feel quite overwhelming. So today, I want to take a deeper dive and actually break down and share with you some of my favorite new launches of 2024. So that way, if you are on the lookout for trying new products, I think these are definitely worth taking a look at. Hi, my name is Dr. Jenny Liu. I'm a board-certified dermatologist, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are skincare obsessed, enjoy learning more about skincare content, hair care content, as well as product reviews, then I would love it if you can give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. First up are new sunscreen launches, which is always really fun, and it's great just in time for summer. And I feel like it's really nice to have more options, and I love trying out new sunscreens, being able to give feedback, review to you guys, but also just offer more selection for individuals because, wearing sunscreen, the best one is the one that you like, and it's always nice to have more options. So the first new launch that I've really been enjoying that's very elegant and nice is from Kosas. Their Dream Beam silicone-free mineral sunscreen SPF 40. Now, as the name implies, this is a silicone-free pure mineral sunscreen that contains zinc oxide. It is tinted, only comes in one shade though. Now, texture-wise, is a lightweight lotion cream that applies very elegantly, very smoothly. It is very nice in the sense you can wear it alone and your skin doesn't feel heavy or thick, very breathable, but also great under makeup. Now, ingredient-wise, it does contain peptides, which we know help to visibly plump the skin, reduce appearance of fine lines, wrinkles. Also contains ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and allantoin, all great, wonderful ingredients to hydrate, soothe, and support the skin barrier. So it's just a lovely daily sunscreen, and I love the fact that it is tinted because tint help to offset visible light that may play a role in either skin aging or hyperpigmentation. So overall, great one to wear, and also it is water resistant, I believe, up to either 40 or 80 minutes. So again, another great perk for wearing this during the summertime. The only downside I would say is that it does give you a more of a bronzed, dewy look, which I think is a great look to go for during the summertime. Now, however, if you are pretty fair or you don't like that kind of bronze skin look, this may not be the most suitable for you. It's what I'm wearing on my skin right now, and I do appreciate more of a tan hue to my skin tone overall. I think it's great for me during the summer, but in the winter, I think it's a little bit too brown, too much. So just want to give you guys a heads up. Otherwise, I think it's a really elegant sunscreen. Even though it's one tint, I do find that for the most part, that shade is fairly universally flattering. Next product has got to be Tweens' favorite body care line or skincare line, and it's Sol de Janeiro. And they have a collection. It's called the Radiance SPF 50 collection. That is really nice. It contains different products, including an SPF oil, SPF spray, as well as SPF body lotion. And so different finishes, different textures, and different ways to apply sunscreen, which I think is really nice, giving tweens, teens, or anyone more options for wearing sunscreen this summer, and hopefully will encourage younger generations to wear sunscreen more readily. Now, overall, this collection is lovely. It does contain fragrance, so if you are sensitive to fragrance, I think that's something to avoid. It is pure mineral sunscreen, so that is really nice. I'm going to focus mostly on the lotion because that's what I tend to use. I don't typically like feel of oils on my body during the summertime. I think sprays are nice, but I really rely on sprays for reapplying sunscreen, not as like the foundation first layer of sunscreen on my skin. So I'm going to just focus on the body lotion because that is what I really love. So this body lotion is really lovely. As I mentioned earlier, it's pure mineral based, SPF 50, and really helps to hydrate your skin, gives your skin this really silky, smooth feel, along with kind of this soft, gorgeous, dewy, glowy finish. Really ideal again for summer. Now, scent-wise, it has a signature Teresa 87 scent. I believe I'm saying that right. So it is very lovely if you enjoy that scent from Sol de Janeiro. Ingredient-wise, it also contains wonderful ingredients, a lot of plant-derived ingredients, including Capuca butter. I hope I'm saying that right, but this is a Brazilian plant-derived ingredient butter that is really rich in antioxidants and lipids that really helps to smooth your skin, nourish your skin, at the same time helps to protect against additional environmental aggressors. Also contains other plant-derived extracts along with niacinamide that can really helps to brighten your skin, protect your skin barrier, nourish your skin barrier. So just a lovely, great body sunscreen that not only helps to hydrate gives a beautiful finish, at the same time protect your skin during the summertime. Last but not least, and I promise this entire video isn't all about new sunscreen launches, but this one is definitely worth mentioning, and it's from Supergoop, the Protect 10 Daily SPF, and this is SPF 50. I love this one because number one, it comes in 14 different shades, so lots of different options. Almost is kind of like makeup but in skincare and in a sunscreen form. You know, sometimes when a sunscreen comes in tinted, there's only one shade or a few shades, and it's hard sometimes to find one, you know, that is really ideal for your skin tone that won't look too dark or too ashy. So really love the options here. It is predominantly mineral sunscreen with few other chemical filters. It's a hybrid, but it's predominantly zinc oxide. Comes in 14 different shades, and it's one that I would say does have fairly decent coverage, like light coverage, but yet at the same time is buildable. So you can definitely layer on more if you want more coverage. It has this really smooth, nice finish, and is really suitable for all skin types. Now, ingredient-wise, it does contain interesting ingredients, including acetone, which is an amino acid-based ingredient that has an antioxidant and skin barrier protection benefits. And it's one that some people say is like the next new niacinamide. So definitely have lots of great skin repair and skin soothing and protection benefits. Also, it contains hyaluronic acid, infused clay to kind of balance the sebum, along with other wonderful conditioning ingredients. So just all around a really great sunscreen. And the fact that it's buildable, I think it's great for those, especially during the summer, where you kind of want a more natural look and don't want that full face makeup look. This is great to wear alone. Or if you need additional coverage, you can either layer on more of this or use this as a foundation, like the base to your, base makeup to your foundation. So just another lovely sunscreen. And I would say comparing to the Kosas, this one definitely has more coverage. So definitely more of like almost like a tinted moisturizer light foundation that you can build, but with all the benefits of skincare and SPF protection. Next product is one that I've been using the past month or so and really have been loving, and it's the new launch from Laneige. It's the Bouncy and Firm Overnight Sleeping Mask. Really love this product. I mean, sleeping mask, I feel like Laneige is really the OG. I mean, they really brought it and popularized it. You know, we think of like the blue one that that is like the traditional one that was the first one. And since then, they've have different ones that they come out, like the green one with the stick up. But I have to say, of all the ones I've tried, this one is by far my favorite for a few reasons. Number one, it contains ingredients like peony, plantar extracts, and collagen complex that really helps to target dehydrated skin, dry skin, fine lines, and wrinkles. And the texture I love even more so than like the other ones that are a little bit more water-based. It's more creamy and rich and very nourishing. So I really feel this sleeping mask is more ideal for like mature skin, dry skin, those that are battling skin aging or are concerned about uneven skin texture and skin tone, wanting to refine that with like an overnight mask treatment that you can do a few times a week. So overall, the sleeping mask is really ideal and suitable, intended to revitalize and rejuvenate and firm skin. So dry skin, mature skin, signs of skin aging, I think this is what it's really best for. And also it contains these hydro melt capsules that basically are supposed to mimic skin's lipid to protect your skin moisture barrier, to better nourish your skin, help and assist your skin repair process overnight as you sleep. I also love the fact that it's not comedogenic and fragrance-free, so definitely suitable for all skin types. Now, ingredient-wise, it contains peony and collagen complex and peptides that we know work really well to hydrate the skin, plump the skin, and may help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And these hydro melt glow capsules that basically are like lipids, and as you massage that in, kind of break down and absorb into your skin to add additional nourishment to your skin. And the hyaluronic acid in green tea and probiotic lysate definitely helps to support your skin barrier, soothe, hydrate, and may help with offering some antioxidant benefits. So overall, I just really love the rich, nourishing texture of this product, and it's just really lovely, helps to support and add additional moisturization to my skin. And how I like to use the sleeping mask is basically apply at bedtime as the last step of my skincare routine. So I'll use this on top of a moisturizer like a few times a week to assist in that skin repair process as we sleep overnight, to wake up to a much softer, more hydrated, glowy, and bouncy looking skin the next morning. Next product is another one that I've been using for the past few months and have been absolutely loving. It's from one of my favorite brands of all times, SkinCeuticals, and it's the Cell Cycle Catalyst. Very interesting name, but as the name implies, it's supposed to improve your skin turnover. And essentially, this is a serum that kind of boosts your skincare regimen to improve anti-aging results. And it's really meant to complement your current skincare regimen, whether it's antioxidant serum or your retinoids at night. And the way it's formulated, it's meant to be used together with these actives and not irritate your skin at the same time, but yet enhance the results of your skincare. You can also use it to prep your skin before a procedure to really maximize the results. And then afterwards, use it to again maximize the results, but also maybe improve skin healing and turnover from whatever procedure that you've had done. So there's a lot of great different uses, but yeah, it's meant to basically enhance the results of your skincare actives. And so with that said, you're supposed to use it twice a day, and it's the first product that goes on your skin after cleansing. So in the morning, you will cleanse and you apply 4 to 5 drops of the serum onto your face and neck, and then you will then follow it with your vitamin C serum. It's a little bit different from what we've been doing before in the sense vitamin C should be the first thing that goes on your skin, but here you actually apply the Cell Cycle Catalyst first and then apply your vitamin C serum. And then at night, you can, in theory, as tolerated, apply this serum, the Cell Cycle Catalyst, after cleansing, and then follow up with your peptide treatment or retinol, or whatever you use in the evening for your anti-aging concerns. Now, I definitely have only been using it once a day in the morning, mostly because of my skin recently with hormones, postpartum, it's been more sensitive, but you can, in theoretically, should be used twice daily. Now, I think one of the questions that I get asked about, or the concerns I envision people thinking about, is this, if paired with vitamin C, is it going to add more irritation? Well, I can tell you, I certainly haven't. I think the formula makes it that it actually enhances your vitamin C efficacy and penetration. So ingredient-wise, I haven't talked about ingredients, but let's talk about that. It is a 7.7% multi-acid formula. So it's fairly low concentration. But with this acid formula, number one, again, improves skin turnover, helps to brighten, improve dullness, hydrate your skin, but also enhances and lowers the pH of your skin. So it enhances the absorption of your pure vitamin C serum, which is why it complements see-through, Fullerton CF, or any sort of pure vitamin C serum that usually needs a low acidity to enhance absorption. So this does it here. With that 7.7% acid complex, it contains phytic acid, mandelic acid, salicylic acid, and glycolic acid. So just a great combination of acids that we know work really well together to improve skin texture and skin tone. It also contains 1% taurine. Taurine, I think I'm saying that right, but this is an amino acid that, very interesting, has been shown to boost cellular energy, boost ceramide production, act as an antioxidant, and it has also been shown to improve skin hyaluronic acid production. So it's just another great ingredient to, again, improve your skin energy level, if that makes sense. Kind of similar to what niacinamide does, and why we think niacinamide works as an antioxidant to improve signs of skin aging. So very similar ingredient here, but overall, I would say a lovely serum that boosts the benefits of skincare. And with the way I've been using it, I definitely have not been noticing any irritation, even when I use it together with my pure vitamin C, see-through serum. So the next product is called Remedy for Dark Spots. So for those who are not familiar with Remedy, this is a new skincare line founded by a colleague, a dear friend, Dr. Munib Shah, or he goes by the handle at Dr. Lee. And he is, if you don't know him, I don't know where you've been the past few years, because he is by far such a big influence on the skincare space as a dermatologist, and he provides wonderful information always on social media platforms debunking this. So this line Remedy is really meant to make professional grade products accessible to all. Currently, there are 3 products in his Remedy line, but I want to talk about dark spots, because the dark spot product really is nice because I feel like there needs to be more products that are formulated with ingredients that work together synergistically to target hyperpigmentation from various angles. At the same time, minimizes the need to layer on all these products so you reduce irritation. I feel like remedy for dark spots does exactly that. It helps to reduce hyperpigmentation, helps to brighten the skin, improve uneven skin texture and skin tone. And so let's talk about the ingredients. I mean, the list is wonderful and really excited to see it has many of my favorite ingredients to battle hyperpigmentation. So it contains 0.1% encapsulated retinol. Encapsulated retinol is more gentle and delivers retinol more efficaciously. Also contains mandelic acid, which is an alpha hydroxy acid that really helps to specifically target hyperpigmentation. Contains kojic acid, glutathione, licorice that we all know helps to improve hyperpigmentation and brighten the skin and really inhibit the enzyme that makes pigment. Also contains one of my favorite hyperpigmentation fighting ingredients, which is a tranexamic acid at a very efficacious concentration, which is 3%. And then 5% niacinamide, which is also that strength that we like to see niacinamide be in for it to work well while reducing irritation. 1% silymarin, as well as acetylglucosamine. Silymarin is a plant-derived extract that has antioxidant benefits and also may help to reduce some sebum oxidation. So it may even be great for those that are more like oily prone, acne prone. But all around, just a wonderful formula with lots of wonderful ingredients that is, again, targeting different pathways of pigment formation to work more efficaciously at targeting dark spots, post-acne marks, hyperpigmentation from sun damage, what have you, while reducing the risk of irritation. Next product is a cleanser, and it's the Rhode Pineapple Refresh Daily Cleanser. And the PR package is really fun. I believe this cleanser actually comes inside a giant bath bomb. But anyway, I love this cleanser in the sense it is very nice and gentle, and it's fairly effective at removing like the basics, dirt, sebum, debris, and even makeup, while at the same time helping to add hydration and lock in moisture so that way your skin doesn't feel super dry, tight, and itchy afterwards. Now, ingredient-wise, it contains polyglutamic acid, which is a wonderful humectant that helps to add hydration back to your skin barrier. Green tea extract that we know is soothing, has some antioxidant benefits, and also pineapple extract, which I love. I mean, fruit enzymes themselves have gentle exfoliating properties, but is a lot less aggressive or irritating than like alpha hydroxy acid. So each time you cleanse, you are helping your skin to naturally turn over. So it helps to, add radiance, improve dullness, but in a lot more gentle way. So this is, if you're looking for a good cleanser to use that is effective at the same time, not super aggressive on skin, it helps to improve skin texture and that tone, this would be a lovely one to try. Now moving on to hair care launches. The first one is K18 Air Wash Dry Shampoo. When I got this, I took a look at the science and the packaging and I was like, this is super cool. When I tried it, I was like, this is unlike any dry shampoo I've ever used. And I'm obsessed. So let's talk about this because certainly K18 is one of my favorite hair care lines. I love their bond repair treatment, and it's really helped me to revitalize and repair my dry and damaged hair. So this is so fascinating because this is a non-aerosol dry shampoo. So when you spray on it, it actually, I almost at the first thought I was spraying water onto my scalp, but your scalp doesn't feel wet, but it doesn't come out in an aerosolized spray. And with that, what you're getting is you're not getting kind of those white flakes that sometimes dry shampoo would impart on your hair. And for me, I find that to be the worst because it literally looks like I have dandruff on my scalp, So that is sometimes the reason why I often don't enjoy using dry shampoo on my scalp. I sometimes will use volumizing spray instead. It's because no matter how much I shake up those aerosolized dry shampoos, this first spray always comes out with just a bit of white particles and flakes that I really have to massage or blow dry that away. Otherwise, it just looks like I have bad dandruff and my scalp already is dandruff so just not something that I really desire. But yes, this is a mist essentially that you spray on your scalp, and it basically can last up to 3 days. That helps to basically bind up sebum as well as odor. So it helps to refresh your scalp while helping to absorb some of that greasiness. Leaves no buildup, like I said, no white particles, and also with ingredients that help to balance your scalp microbiome. So, the worry sometimes with dry shampoo is that sometimes the product will build up, and for some individuals may not be so ideal for your scalp health. But here, not only does not have those problems, but also has ingredients to support your scalp health. So hopefully you will feel a little bit better about using this product. So ingredient wise, the technology is really fascinating, but I'm kind of just going to go through some of the key ingredients. So they have this translucent microbeads, but basically when you spray on there, helps to kind of take up and absorb all the sebum, and also has this patented odor binding technology that basically kind of sucks away and trap the odor, so that way helps to refresh your scalp. And then also contains Mediterranean microalgae, again, that helps to balance your scalp microbiome, and also at the same time balance the sebum, so that way it is less oily. And so this is just a lovely product that I've been using on my scalp in between hair washing to really help to reduce the sebum, but at the same time does not lead to buildup on my scalp and does not leave those white particles. So highly recommend checking out. All right, last but not least is Briogeo Rich Rice Shampoo Concentrate. So this is a very interesting concentrated water activated shampoo that gently cleanses and really is meant to strengthen and revitalize severely dry and damaged hair with important nutrients that does those things, but at the same time it cleanses in a more gentle way. I think it only contains like a third of surfactants compared to traditional shampoos, and it creates this really luxurious, rich, creamy lather, but at the same time does not strip your hair or your scalp. So it can even be used on a more regular basis for those that do need to wash your hair regularly, but worry about the drying effects of shampooing. This would be a great product to kind of use. Now, ingredient-wise, it does contain rice protein complex. And we know rice is really popular, not only in skincare, but also have hair strengthening benefits. And certainly culturally in Japan and Korea, anecdotally, it may help to strengthen hair or even reduce hair loss or helping with hair growth. So here, that rice protein complex is going to strengthen hair. Also contains ceramides and algae extract that are great at supporting your scalp, your hair, but at the same time, algae offers great antioxidant benefits, helping to reduce kind of stress from, free radical damage from the environment. So all around, just a great gentle cleansing product that is going to help to keep your scalp healthy, but at the same time also helps to strengthen and nourish your hair when you're washing. All right, guys, so that's a wrap. Those are my favorite 2024 launches thus far. Let me know if you've tried any of these and which ones you are looking forward to trying, and comment below with your experience if you have used any of these products. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.